battery finna die. See this? First date, a little nervous. I'm trying to see the makeup first. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Let me put some on my lips. It's your girl, Real Chelsea J. So 2 Sundays ago, I went to the Kylie Jenner pop-up shop, which was amazing. Even though it was hot out there, they were catering to us, like bringing us waters, bringing us food, bringing us desserts, snacks, donuts, cinnamon rolls. I had like 2 or 3 bottles of these just because they were super cute. But this is the water that they gave us, the Kylie Cosmetics. Y'all see that? Should I wipe my camera a little bit? Taking off the glasses to see is wild. This is the Kylie Cosmetics branded water, and this is, I guess she partnered with Path. They gave us these in line. This bottle is just extremely durable. I loved it so much. I was like, can I get 2 of those? I thought that I would keep this. This is my bag of goodies. They give you a little shopping bag. I did not use, and I like how they didn't put your stuff in the bag, but I'm gonna do it for this video, so wait a minute. This is the bag. This is, here he comes. He just had to. Hi, boobies.
Passy?
Go play. Go play. Mommy busy.
My mommy's busy.
Toodaloo. Toodaloo. Hey. Probably use it as a souvenir, but I put all the goodies in here for this video. So while you're waiting in line, they catered to us and I loved it. It's like they didn't just leave us there in the heat. They didn't just leave us there to fend for ourselves. These are all the freebies that they gave us while we were in line, you guys. I got 2 samples of her new perfume. This stuff smells so good. Like, I can't even lie. I had the baby with me, so he was nice enough to give me doubles of everything just because I had the baby. So I have 2 perfumes. Shut up, it was an old man. You annoying. I got 2 of the mascaras, which these look really good. I'm gonna try these out and let y'all know what I think about those. 2, guys. And I got 2 samples of her lip gloss, the Supple Kiss Lip Glaze. These are the samples here. So I got 6 freebies while I was waiting in line, and I thought that was super cool. I'm always looking for what I can get free when I go to an event. I'm just not even gonna lie. So let me show you guys the things that I got. I didn't get too much because if I'm being honest, it was a little pricey. Lip kits are like $32. Foundation was like $30. I had already did a lot of makeup shopping within the last maybe 2 weeks. I picked up some stuff that I never had or never was able to try from her. I spent $158. The first thing that I got the glossy lip kit. I'm a gloss girl. I love a matte lip, but I'm more so of a glossy girl. Espresso, perfect chocolate for the fall. But this is the lip pencil. It's like a very pretty deep brown. Supple lip glaze, but the quality is really good. I like it. I love the thickness of the lip gloss. Now, what else do we have? I have, oh, I didn't know I bought this. This is a supple lip gloss. Guess I got this in espresso. And this is the supple lip glaze as well. Just the single, and this is called All Yours. This really pretty nude / mauve look. Like, this is the perfect nude lip gloss. I'm not trying to waste it on my hand, but it is so pretty. Now I remember why I got this, because I wanted to do the brown liner with this, and this was $20. Next, this is the Kylie Cosmetics Skin Tint Blurring Elixir, but this is the packaging, and my shade is an 8WN. I love, look at that, can y'all see that? So that's my guy. Oh, I see why they call it an elixir. It's like runny, but this is perfect for the type of looks that I've been going for lately. I mean, the foundations and the makeup look that I've been going for has been natural because my skin has been clearing up a lot, so I barely put on makeup, even though it look like I'm cake faced right now. I don't even use foundation anymore. I use concealer over my entire face, under my eye, under my chin, here, and then I'll do my brows and my eyes like normal. This is the shade for 8W9, in case you guys are wondering. Let me get this off. Let me get it all off. So I have, let's see. Ooh, there's more goodies in there. Okay, so this I'm honestly really excited about. I got the Kylie Cosmic Perfume, and this is the 2.0. Now there's a difference in scent. This one, the other one gives like a summery scent. They both kind of do, but this gives like this smells so good. It gives classy, it gives rich, it gives everything that it needs to give. Do they have the notes on here? Yes, because your girl is not good at that. This is Pear Accord, Pink Pepper Essence, Vanilla Orchid, Lavender Essence, Amber Accord, Sandalwood Accord. That might sound like overload, but they did exactly what they needed to do. This was $54. Honestly, that was reasonable as heck. Oh, the whole purpose of showing, I do have to open it because I have to show you guys the packaging, the bottle itself. I'm gonna show you what's super cool about the perfume sandals too. They're just so cute. Girl, bye. Look at, oh, this is adorable. Not me trying to get a thumbnail. I can't do this without the window, okay? I gotta hear something. I have to. So this packaging is just beautiful, you guys. My nose twitching. This smells so good. I can't even compare it to anything. It kind of reminds me of the Kylie perfumes. That's the best way that I can describe this. Very beautiful vanilla, a rich vanilla scent. That's just the best way that I can describe this. But the packaging, this is the packaging of the 2.0, and let me show you guys. The little minis that I got, y'all, they don't just come in the little plastic bottles that we're used to. Baby girl went all out. She gave us a mini of the perfume bottle, and I thought that was so cute. It was super unique. I love that. This is so beautiful. You can put this in your perfume collection. Two completely different scents, and they both smell amazing. I highly recommend y'all try both. Try them both. They also threw in some cute little goodies and freebies. King Kylie stickers, which is super cute. A 20% off. They had the nerve to give us a Kylie Jenner. What is this? 2015? 2015. I think that was around that era. A little Instagram air freshener. This is so cute. I haven't smelled it yet, but my mom has one up in her car too. She went with us. And lastly, I've been wanting to open this since I freaking went to the pop-up. This is a Kylie Jenner, Kylie Cosmetics makeup bag. This is just so unique. Look at how much you can fit in there. But anyways, yes, that's all that I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and what, baby? Subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Not everything fitting in here all perfectly. Look at the samples. Got the 2 mascaras, the 2 lippies. Got the perfume. It's so cute, you guys. Put in the perfume over here with this, and then supple lip glaze. Put that over there. Lip kit and foundation. That's all about. Oh yeah. And this I'm gonna go put in my car. That's so cute.